This is Friday's dictation, the last day of the term. But, surprise! We're going to just have a little bit of fun with dictation. I would like you to give your parents dictation. So you need to read. Get a book that you like from home. It can be one from Raz Kids, it can be one from your home. Tell your parents, give the instructions just like you've heard me do. And then choose 3 sentences because it's Friday. Choose 3 sentences and you read it to your parents just like I would, and see how they go with the dictation. And then you'll have to correct it. So good luck with that. And if you have guessed where all these pictures are from, if it's taken you till Friday to make sure that you knew, send me a message on Seesaw. I hope you've enjoyed them.